Yo, meet Soraya, my great niece. Rai, say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Oh, oh. Come. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, guys, I'll be back. But with my niecey boo, my newest one. Hi. Hi. Hey guys, it's your favoritest, and I'm back. Now, today is what? Tuesday, June the 11th, I believe it is. Yeah, Tuesday, June the 11th, and I feel like I can talk and get through what I have to say, or what I've been wanting to come on here and say for the last couple of days, because my life has been completely turned upside down. I think I'm experiencing one of the greatest heartbreaks that I've ever experienced in my life. And I think that's honestly just the best way to put it. But since May the 31st, like, I have literally been battling with grief and a whole bunch of regrets. And I've just honestly been beating myself up every day ever since then. Now, I don't really want to talk too much about the loss that I experienced. If you know, you know. Because, baby, when I say, like, this loss, like, I don't have words for it. Like, I'm still speaking about this person as if they're still here, because I can't wrap my mind around that I'm never going to see this person breathing ever again. Like, the next time that I see this person, it's going to be when I drop off their final outfit to dress them. Yeah? So, I feel like I always come across, like, people on social media, like different reels and videos and stuff on TikTok that will pop up where people are speaking motivationally, especially when it comes on to relationships and patching things up and repairing things with people and all of that kind of stuff. And I'm always just like, whoa, like, this resonates with me so well. And like, you know, like, you'll be like, I needed to hear this, even if it doesn't have anything to do with that. Like, you'll just see a video of somebody speaking about a topic, or subject that speaks to you. I want this message that I'm about to say to speak to every single person that is watching this right now. If you have somebody in your life that is important to you, that you genuinely could not see yourself, like, if you found out that they passed away, like, it would possibly be the worst thing, especially knowing that you guys are not speaking to them. Speak to them. Whether this is not the first falling out, whether it is the first falling out, whether years have gone by, reach out. I often feel like we here on earth feel like we have all of this time, when in fact we do not have time. Time is so friggin' precious, and I hate that it makes, like, death has to happen in order for us to really and truly sit down and realize that. Or we have to lose somebody that is super important to us for us to realize that time is so freaking fragile. Life is so freaking fragile. And once you're gone, that's it. You're gone. There's no coming back. There's no turning back anything. There's no trying to rewind time and fix. There's no. You only have one shot at this thing that we call life. One shot. One shot. Now, as I said, the holding of grudges, the malices, that doesn't do anything for any situation. We, at the time that a problem happens with somebody or a group of people that we love and we feel hurt, granted, your feelings are absolutely granted. But I feel like how we handle the hurt and how we move on past the hurt and how we communicate and try to fix the situation is the best thing that we can possibly do. Like, I feel like now I'm speaking on this because this is something that I do. Like, I'm a person, when my feelings are hurt, I shut down, I stop speaking, I remove myself from you, like from your life. Like, if I don't see you making an effort to fix things or apologize or any, like, I don't make the effort. This has resulted in me not speaking with people for months at a time, weeks at a time, years at a time. And I'm talking about people that I speak with multiple times a day, every single day. Blood. All because my feelings are hurt and I'm in a place where I feel like I don't need to communicate and I need people to reach out to me. Over the years, I have learned that how I want to deal with situations is not how somebody else wants to deal with it. And that's just maturing, right? But at the end of the day, if you love somebody and you don't want to ever hear that anything happened to them and you guys were not speaking, please let this message be that sign that you needed to do what you need to do. Just be the bigger person, reach out, because again, as I said, you do not know what is going to happen. You do not know what is going to happen in life. We do not have the time that we think that we have, okay? And you do not want that when things are starting to be good, you don't have that time anymore. Somebody is gone. I have just lost somebody that meant so much to me. And when you guys, like, if you know this, if you don't know this yet, when you do find out who it is, like, I promise you, you guys are gonna be so shocked, because it's still so shocking to me that this person is gone, and I really want to make it through this video without crying, but I'm never gonna see this person ever again, and my heart is broken. And honestly, like, I just, like, the Zoe that I was 2 weeks ago, I'm here looking on life like so different right now. And it literally took this death to teach me a lesson that I have forever learned. And yes, I am human. I will continue to make mistakes, but I'm going to try my hardest to not let this be a mistake that I make again, ever. But again, we're taking it day by day and just picking up the pieces and doing what we have to do, and yeah, continuing with life. But again, I want this to be a sign for you guys. If you guys do have people in your lives, friendships, romantic relationships, and I'm not telling you guys to go back and go talk to people that are toxic or not serving any purpose in your life, you know. This is only for the people that, you know, like, it was just a misunderstanding. And I know over time, sometimes, like, we get after we fall out with people, like, we really replay the situation and we're just like, yo, like, at the time it was serious, but now, like, you know, we can talk about it, you know what I mean? So if it's worth it, baby, please, me I beg you no talk about it and fix it. Talk about it and fix it. But for now, I'm just asking for you guys to keep my family in your prayers. Please ask for comfort, because we need it. We need it. I need all the virtual hug, like every person that comes into contact with me that I know, like, I just need a hug. Like, I just need a hug. Like, I've never been so hurt. I still talk about this person literally like they're here because I can't come to terms with the fact that this person is no longer here on earth. Well, they're here on earth, but you know. But anyways, guys, as I said, I don't want to come here and I don't want to be crying or anything like that. Yes, grief is sad, death is sad, and my tears and all of that is warranted, but I don't want to be doing that no more, y'all. So yeah, I just had to come here and say that to you guys. I hope you guys listen to what I said. And practice it. Cause me I practice what me I preach. Okay? I love you guys. I want to make dinner today, so we will see if I make my meal. I will come do it with you guys because it's a viral TikTok meal right now. And yeah, but until then, pray for my family, you guys. Pray for my family. And yeah, let's get ready to send this person off in the best way possible. As I said, the last few days, not even weeks, the last few days have just been super crazy, like picking out coffins. Like I've never been in the planning process so closely with planning a funeral. Like I've literally done everything, like reached out to funeral homes, trying to get shirts made, excuse me, buttons, all of that kind of stuff, plan like some sort of 9-night, the grave diggings, all of that kind of stuff. Like I'm literally doing everything, the program, not doing everything, but a part of everything. So it's a lot, y'all, and I'm doing it long distance because this is happening in Jamaica and I'm here. So we will be traveling again very soon, unfortunately. Fortunately and unfortunately, because I'm so excited for this trip. I'm so excited for this trip, but I'm very saddened at the same time because it's just gonna be so different. But anyways, as I said, if I do go in the kitchen, I will come back. If not, I'll see you guys another time. I don't know what this video will be. I will try to make it into a weekly vlog if I can. If not, yeah. So guys, I don't have to show you. Oh, that's not it. So guys, I'm in the kitchen now while I'm washing and editing. But I want to start putting these in the oven. Actually, let me turn it on. As she said. So I am making for dinner. I'm making the viral spaghetti squash. I'm super excited to try it. Yeah, I'm really excited to try it. We love spaghetti. Well, I love spaghetti in this house, but babe loves my ground beef mix concoction, whatever the case may be. So we're making spaghetti squash. So I just asked him to cut the squash for me. These are the squash that I got. I feel like they're super small compared to the ones that I've been seeing everybody get, but this is what I found in the store. So this is what we're going to be using. So big choice spaghetti squash. I would want to use both only because lunch and dinner.
Never cut a squash yet.
Babe, take your time, please. My camera.
Pumpkin. Ah, there's no say tougher than pumpkin still.
That's why I asked him to do it, because yeah. All right. And then I'm supposed to clean up the inside. So yeah, I think I can do both. I think I'm just gonna do all. Yeah, they're small. These ones are smaller than the ones that I've been seeing. So I'm gonna have him cut these in halves, and then I'm gonna clean out the inside, season them up, and then put these in the oven because these take about an hour. I'm gonna put them in for 45 minutes only because of the size, but yeah, I want to get these going because this is the longest part to cook. Huh?
You
don't know if I cut right?
No, I told the squash to you.
Take your, please, I like where your hand there. Me not gonna with no man with we not have no 10 hand, you know, 10 finger. You can stay there, a kiss your teeth. I should have took the sticker off first.
Still take it off.
Oh boy. Thank you. Oh god, wow. Okay, thank you. Alright, y'all, let's clean this out now. I'm excited. Super healthy. Super healthy, but still giving spaghetti.
Watch my video, man. Pause it. I'm gonna copyright it.
Okay, I'm gonna, y'all watch me thing these out, okay? This is them. I just washed off the rinsed off the outsides. These ones cleaned up a lot better than these ones. I'm not gonna too much take out these because I feel like I'm starting to scrape out the spaghetti out the squash. So yeah, I'm excited for these ones. These ones are super deep. So if I had to tell you guys, I'd get the more circular ones than the oblong ones. I didn't have much option, but either way, we're still gonna make all of them work. We got 4 because we gonna eat for dinner today and we gonna have for lunch tomorrow, okay? So I'm gonna brush these up, season them, and come back. I'm so excited, y'all. You don't understand how long I've been wanting to make this thing. Like, so freaking long.
Be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why
Final product. I don't know, I need to fix my brightness for some reason. It's not working for me, but there we go. She's beautiful. Babe, I really like too much cheese, so yeah. Yeah. Baby, I'm on close. I'm gonna go give it to him and get his first thing. He does not have on clothes, so we gotta try this. It's on the food, don't worry, it's not on it.
Look at it like this. Yeah, real big. Beef and cheese. Or turkey. Boy. 10 out of 10. $20 out of 10. Good thing does look like a real speak.
Right?
I did good thing to speak it though.
The squash?
That was a crunchy look up. But I'm ready, you know.
That's why I said he can just keep going and going and going.
Yeah, people. Thanks, baby.
No problem. So we can make this again? Yeah?
Definitely. I pasta spaghetti that starch.
No. Whoa. The recipe that I followed, she used the flavor profile in that, baby, like everything is seasoned and it tastes so good. Whoa. I was not expecting that. Like when I tasted the squash by itself, I was like, yeah, this is seasoned really good. I didn't taste the ground beef, the turkey, but babe did. He said it was good. And I didn't try the sauce before I did anything, but I knew that Boursin cheese was gonna be really, really, really good because everybody was talking about that cheese. So everything was seasoned really good, but on its own, the squash was really good. But to get, I feel like I started that and I don't want to stop. But yeah, as I was saying, the recipe that I followed, she used cherry tomatoes, but I swapped it out for sun-dried tomatoes. I love sun-dried tomatoes, and I'm so glad I did. The flavor of the sun-dried tomatoes, chef's freaking kiss. The squash is crunchy. It's not... People, wow, like candy. It's 9 o'clock. Y'all, I have stuff to wash. I need to finish this video, and goodbye. Bye. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Let's go, baby, for the blood clot tell. And we said, Waterhouse to the thing. Golly side madness we are talking. Because for the blood clot tell. I know more than $5,000 in that bank account. They are dancing. Hallelujah, jump What? Let them know. They get them have a real friend side here. Say I love you, bitch. Go. You never know, say. Well, get them in there a long time. Go. Oh. God. 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 Put your party around here. Go. This is me. Open up the door. I'm in us there. Yo. Wherever text boys start playing with that battery. When we say sit down there, I'm in up. What we do there, man? We don't have to gone. Fuck, can't be fun. Nobody come out for us to your ball, you know. Lord of road, Canadian. Oh, Lord. Alright, come now, man, sing! Why?
Money in your hand before you come for your wall. Put up your hand before you hold up your wall.
Sing ya!
Who kind to you?
You run the pussy free to it.
Who needs to you?
You send the bubble not to it.
Put up your foot, you're not your foot.
Why?
Tear off the foot.
When they make sing and they say, Mali to be kaya galo.
Me have to call you, pay your mom.
Hold on. Mali to be kaya know you look good. Put up your hand because you not so no old. Big up the woman, they will independent. Mali to be kaya pay on a rent. Big up the woman, they will know you buy man. Over the blood clot.
What?
You know the thing go.
Not by man.
Where them outside, you don't know.
Y'all, I'm just getting in. It is 4:32 in the morning. I'm about to go eat my crazy post from Little Caesars. I'm going to sleep. I have a lot of work that I need to do tomorrow. Today, I'm going to go on Amazon and do what I need to do because I have work to do. But I made it home. Safe and sound. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Y'all, I'm getting so much better with my makeup application. Like, I just had to come and say this before I came off the video. Like, Dolly Dong. Dolly Dong. You can't talk to me. Can't talk to me. Anyways, I'm about to go wash off my face and go to my bed. I have my crazy puffs in the air fryer. My husband decided that he was going to eat one. Like, I bought them for him. Like, he didn't eat mackerel and like he didn't make mackerel and rice before I was leaving. I don't understand, guys. Like, anyways, I'm not even gonna get into that right now, but I'm home. Yeah, thank you guys for coming with me. I needed this night out. Yeah, it was a good little breakaway, except for when I heard songs about people that passed away. But other than that, it was good. I need to take my mind off of things. It's been a stressful 14 days. And a lot has transpired every single day. And again, as I said, like, this is the first time I have ever been so involved in planning a funeral. Like, I feel like there's like every decision, like, I feel like every decision someone needs to make, like, I'm involved, and it's a lot. Like, it's a lot. Not saying I'm not honored or happy to help. It's just, it's a lot, because at the same time I am grieving somebody that I lost, and there's just a whole lot of emotions tied up to it, and also a lot of emotions preparing for this trip. And yeah, it's just a lot. I'm going through a lot right now. The season that I'm in, I don't know, but I'm going through a lot mentally. So pray for me, pray for my family, because we need it. And yeah, thank you guys for coming to Mince. Shout out Fenton. Yo, I'm tired and I gotta pee, so bye. Shout out my husband too for his shirt. The party was Nike versus Adidas. Nike won. And yeah.